The hold button on your LUXPro Thermostat allows you to temporarily override your programmed schedule and maintain a constant temperature. Instead of following the preset schedule, the thermostat will keep the temperature at the set point you choose until you release the hold. This is useful for vacations, unexpected weather changes, or when you want a consistent temperature regardless of the time of day. To set a hold temperature on your LUXPro thermostat, first locate and press the hold button. Once pressed, the display will show hold to confirm the function is active. Next, use the up and down arrow buttons to adjust the temperature to your desired setting. Once you've chosen the temperature, the thermostat will maintain that temperature continuously, overriding the scheduled program. The hold setting on a LUXPro thermostat remains active indefinitely until you manually release it. This means the thermostat will completely ignore its programmed schedule during the hold period, maintaining the set temperature without any automatic changes. The original schedule is preserved and will resume once you release the hold. Some thermostat models include an auto-release feature that ends the hold after 24 hours or at the next scheduled time change, but this varies by model. Advanced Wi-Fi-enabled models like the PSD series offer additional options for timed holds through the mobile app, allowing you to set specific durations for the hold function. To release the hold and return to your programmed schedule, press the Run or System button on your thermostat. The exact labeling may vary depending on your LUXPro model, such as PSP or PSD. Pressing this button will disengage the hold function, and the thermostat will resume following your set schedule. While the hold button is convenient, overuse can increase energy bills by 10 to 20% compared to scheduled operation. It's best to use it sparingly for specific situations rather than as a daily habit. For general energy efficiency, rely on your programmed schedule instead of constant holds. Consider using the hold function for vacations or short-term temperature adjustments, but remember to release it when no longer needed to return to efficient scheduled operation. Newer LUXPro thermostat models, like the PSD series released in 2025, offer enhanced Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with smart home ecosystems such as Google Home and Amazon Alexa. You can set and release holds remotely through the app, providing greater flexibility than manual controls alone. The app may also allow you to set timed holds, which automatically release after a specified duration, helping maintain energy efficiency. Make sure your thermostat firmware is updated for security, as recent updates address vulnerabilities in connected models. Prolonged use of the hold feature can significantly increase energy consumption, especially when set to very high or low temperatures. A 2025 audit found that 30% of users experienced unintended energy waste from prolonged holds. To maximize energy savings, always remember to revert to your programmed schedule. Smart thermostat features can help you avoid misuse and maintain efficiency. If you're having trouble releasing the hold function on your LUXPro thermostat, start by ensuring you're pressing the correct button. Most models use Run or System to return to the scheduled mode. If the hold still won't release, try power cycling the thermostat. Remove the batteries for a minute and reinsert them, or switch off the circuit breaker that powers the thermostat. For more detailed help, refer to your LUXPro Thermostat's user manual or visit Honeywell's official website for troubleshooting guides and resources.